Gently now floating right by. C is for car with a beep beep sound. D is for dog who runs all around. E is for engine chugging along with its steam. F is for firefly with a tiny bright gleam. G is for goat on a grassy green hill. Is for horse who just can't stand still. I is for ice cream, a wonderful yummy treat. J is for jelly bean, so colorful and sweet. K is for kite, way up in the blue. L is for ladybug, with spots fresh and new. M is for monkey, who loves to play fun games. N is for nighttime when we whisper our names. O is for ocean.